Welcome to Arbomar, a direct Gulffront community located on Longboat Key, Florida. This is a rare opportunity to lease a penthouse beachfront condo. This 2-bedroom plus den 2-bath residence offers full panoramic views of the Gulf of Mexico from the top floor. Inside, the condo is fully furnished and move-in ready. The main living space features a clean, open layout with coastal-inspired design, tile flooring, and large sliding doors. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances and everything you need for cooking or hosting. Off the main living area, there's a dedicated den with a sleeper sofa, ideal for guests or remote work, and 2 full bedrooms, including a primary suite with generous closet space and a private bathroom. A second full bath is located near the guest room for added convenience. The double balconies are west-facing, offering direct beach and water views. It functions like a bonus sunroom, bringing in natural light throughout the day and making a perfect spot for reading, dining, or working with a view. Residents at Arbomar enjoy a variety of amenities, including a heated Gulffront pool, a fitness room, a community lounge and kitchen, and a library. Additional conveniences include laundry rooms on each floor, climate-controlled storage lockers, bike and kayak storage, and secure building entry. Arbomar is located directly on Longboat Key's Gulf side, offering easy access to St. Armands Circle, South Lido Park, and Downtown Sarasota, all within a few minutes' drive. The Bay Runner, Sarasota's free trolley service, also stops nearby, making it easy to explore without needing your car. The beach is just downstairs, no walking across roads or through public access points, just straight to the sand. For more details, current availability, or to schedule a tour, get in touch today. We'd be happy to help you plan your stay on Longboat Key.